It's Saturdays, loading a rock. Better retain a big section of road. It's going to be widened. So using this to build a big wall. This Komatsu 300 with a 400 lower. Big rocks. I'll show you the inside of this cab. Probably did before. Start with a door. It's all custom made. It's nothing to do with Komatsu. It's all like 2x2. All 2x2. Steel pipe construction. Full hinge. All the way down. It's got 11,000 hours on it now. That door is so tight. It's like a jail cell. This big 3/4 inch by 2 inch bar for support. The glass is all 1/2 inch Lexan. Tracks for the window are all custom made. Roof, same thing, 1/2 inch Lexan. 1/2 inch by 1.25 inch bars. Side window, same support bars. The only stuff that's original is the plastic. It's basically junk. Plastic's all cracked and broken. It's got fire suppression system, cubby hole, radio that doesn't work. Seat that's pretty much done. There's why. That's why it's no good. That'll bug somebody. It's got a quick change for the bucket. Right there. It used to be a West Coast road builder for Canadian Forest Products. The only window that opens is this little back slider hatch. The locking pin. That's original, 11,000 hours to gauge. Warning lights that don't work or tell you there's something wrong even though there isn't. Fan. You can just about stand up in here. It's about 5 feet high. It's well built. This little thing, not sure what it is other than it's little lights for the switches. Some sort of radio. Heater controls. Levers. And I like these. These have been, I don't know if this was sawed out for this. This is the thumb control. So pushing that puts the thumb closed. And releases thumb trigger. These are really good. These used to be on some of the old Barco 450s, old Cat 235 road builders way back in the day. I do like that control lever. Just good, simple, solid.